A quantity z is defined by the equation z is equal to v squared over a, where v is speed and a is acceleration. If v is in meters per second and a is in meters per second squared, what are the base SI units of z? First, I'm going to write out what we were given. V is equal to meters per second, and a is equal to meters per second squared. We can rewrite z by substituting in our units. V is equivalent to meters per second, and the quantity is squared. And a is equivalent to meters per second squared. We can rewrite meters per second quantity squared as meters squared over seconds squared. Now we can write z as meters squared over seconds squared over meters per second squared. In order to simplify the complex fraction, we have to multiply the top and the bottom by the reciprocal of the bottom fraction. The reciprocal is equal to the bottom fraction flipped. This gives us s squared over m to multiply by the top and the bottom. This cancels out the bottom part of the fraction, leaving us with z is equal to m squared over s squared times s squared over m. Here, the seconds squared cancel, and dividing by m cancels the square on m. Our final answer is that z is equal to meters. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments what topics you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.